today's final weekend home game, we would like to recognize the 4 senior members of our men's basketball team. We want to thank them for all of their contributions to our basketball program on and off the court. We also want to wish them the very best in the future. From Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, Senior Manager Matt Rebernick. Please welcome Matt's parents, Bill and Debbie Rebernick. From Chicago, Illinois, number 30, Rod Goolsby. Please welcome Rod's mother, Diane Washington. From Northfield, Illinois, number 20, Tim Kunkel. Please welcome Tim's mother, Jessica Jordan, and Tim's father, Greg Kunkel. From Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, number 23, Pat Freeman.